What's up, guys? My name is Ray, and today I'm like very sick. So I don't even know how I'm doing this. But yeah, I just like caught a cold or something. So I'm just kind of low in energy. Just kind of let you guys know. But I really want to put this video out, and you guys know how I am. I gotta stay consistent with it. I want to stay consistent with it. So I'm gonna just do my best to give you guys this valuable content. But yeah, for real, let me show you guys what I got in my room. Like, my mom put these onions on my bookshelf thing. It's really weird. Like, it's real deal serious. Legit 2 onions. It smells so bad in my room right now, honestly. I guess my mom used to do that when she was young, or my aunt, whoever put those onions on the top of my counter when they were taking care of me last night. It must be like a Filipino thing. Not 100% sure, but anyways. In today's video, I want to talk about the 40-70 rule. Okay, so what is the 47 rule? The 47 rule was this theory of a guy by the name of Colin Powell. I'm going to just read off a little bit of information about this guy. So basically, he was a former head of U.S. military forces and former Secretary of State, and he was well known as a respected strategist and leader. Now, his theory is to make a good decision. Powell prescribes the amount of information that one needs to make a good decision, which is, he says that we need between 40 to 70% of the total information to make a good decision. He believes that with less than 40% of information, we are bound to make a wrong decision. At the same time, if we keep looking for information beyond 70%, then by the time we make the decision, it will be so late that others will have taken that decision and moved on. Basically saying it would be pretty late. Now, so why the 40-70 topic, right? Why the 40-70 rule by Colin Powell? Well, in all honesty, I didn't even know this theory existed, and I'll pretty much give you guys the whole breakdown on how this video came to be. So I was working out with my girl, and I was on the treadmill listening to Tai Lopez's lectures, and he talked about the 47 rule by Colin Powell. And I looked it up. I didn't know what it was, and he didn't really was into detail. He wasn't really into detail on what that was. And little did I know that was basically the same theory that I've been using to upload these videos to come up with these ideas. So basically, in my own context, if I were to come up with an idea, I don't really need all the information, but if in my gut feeling that if I feel like it's a good topic to talk about, I just go right into the editing and obviously recording the video in such a way, and then whatever happens after that is just like, okay, I did it. And that's pretty much how I'm able to upload videos every single day and come up with these ideas. Like, for example, and that's one thing too, is like, you know how I talked about, if you have been watching my videos, I talk about knowledge is power only if you actually apply it and use it. That's what I do during my workouts. I just listen to a lot of personal development stuff, and that's how I come up with these ideas. And obviously these are nothing new. You can find a bunch of videos about, you know, the 40-70 rule, but today was the day. Like, this is the day that I talked about the 40-70 rule. Had I honestly, I didn't even know that theory existed, and how I was pretty much applying it to the decisions I was making to upload these videos. So, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to read up on the topic if you'd like to. And yeah, so if you guys are trying to make a huge decision or a small decision, try to use the 40-70 rule and see if it works. And I think the theory works, because there's like some times where I get too much information. Like I was trying to consume a lot of information, and then I end up like not making a decision, or if I did, I just had like a very buyer's remorse feel, if that makes sense. So all you really need is 40% of the information, and then use your gut feeling, your gut intuition, and base your ideas on your intuition, not your fears. Because if you do it based off of fear, then 9 out of 10 times that idea will end up not being the right choice that you did or make. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.